kindergarten, and welcome to another math lesson. Yesterday, we focused on the unknown, the whole in a number sentence, when listening to a story and finding the unknown. Today, our math thinking job is I can put together parts to find an unknown total to 8. So yesterday, I gave you the parts, and today, we're going to do the whole thing using both of our number sentences and listening to stories. So let's get to it.
On my board, I have some shapes. Before we dive in to number sentences, let's talk about these shapes. Let's review them. What shape is this? This is a triangle. We know that this is a triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 corners. What is the other shape that I have? You're right. The other shape I have is a circle. Now, I need your help to see how many triangles I have and how many circles I have. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to count how many triangles I have and how many circles. Okay, now that you've counted my triangles and circles, I'm going to count them. I have 1, 2, 3 triangles and 1, 2, 3 circles. I have 3 circles and 3 triangles. I want to put these numbers in a number sentence so we can have a number sentence all about our shapes. We already have 2 clues about the number sentence. We have 3 circles and 3 triangles. So I am going to write 3 for my 3 circles, and I'm going to write 3 for my 3 triangles. What sign do I need to put in the middle of 3 and 3 to show that I'm adding, that I'm putting together? You're right, I need to put a plus sign. 3 plus 3. Now what I need to do for my number sentence? Right, I need to write an equal sign. I need to find my whole. And to find my whole, I need an equal sign. 3 plus 3 equals. All right, let me draw my mystery box because I'm finding my unknown number. We know our 2 parts, but we're looking for our unknown number. How could we figure our total, our unknown number of our shapes? Your teacher's going to pause the video. All right, 3 plus 3 equals. We could count them. We could start with our 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, and then count 3 more. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 6 is our total, our unknown number. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now I want to take my shapes and I want to pretend my shapes are robins. So I have my tree and my sun. Robins are birds, so we're going to pretend that our shapes are robins. So I have 6 robins. These robins are going to go in the tree. We're going to show them with the shapes. All right. Now, let's pretend 2 more robins are flying. We're going to show them as circles. How many robins are there in all? Remember, I had 6 robins in the tree and 2 were flying. How many robins are in all? Your teacher's going to pause the video. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I count 2 more, 7, 8. Let's write a number sentence to match our robins. We had 6 robins in the tree, plus 2 were flying, equals 8. Now, let's add 2 more. Flying, and only 4 were in the tree. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys are going to talk about how we will fill in our number sentence with our new story about our robins. Remember, 4 robins were in the tree, and 4 were flying. We would say 4 plus 4 more equals, let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Remember, when we're writing our number sentence, we need a plus sign and an equal sign. So 4 robins and 4 robins equal 8 robins all together. Your teacher may pause the video and practice some more stories. When you come back, we'll practice more.
Some more practice, and you'll follow along with me. I'm going to read my story about Gavin making a tower, and then your teacher will pause the video. You'll draw the pictures to match the story, and then fill in the number sentences to put the parts together to find the unknown. So here we go. Gavin is making a tower with linking cubes. He had 5 purple and 3 orange cubes. How many linking cubes does Gavin have? You may not have purple or orange, and that's okay. You can just draw your 5 and 3 cubes with whatever you're using to draw with. Your teacher's going to pause the video. Okay, I'm going to draw my tower, and I'm actually going to use blue and yellow so I can see the 5 and the 3. So I'm first going to draw 5 cubes, and he said a tower. The story said a tower, so I'm going to actually build my cubes from top to bottom. And when I think of a tower, you think from top to bottom. So I have 3, 4, and 5. And now I'm going to show my 3 cubes in yellow. 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you don't have 2 colors, you can use the trick of drawing a line to show your different parts, 5 and 3. So the first question is how many linking cubes does Gavin have? We're going to find the whole first, the unknown. Our unknown we can find by adding all of these cubes together. And we can do that by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. If you already knew 5 and 3 was 8, way to go you. I'm going to put 8 in my unknown because I know that that's my unknown. Now, let's fill in our parts. Our parts are 5 because he had 5 purple cubes and 3 because he had 3 orange cubes. So we found our unknown of 8. We were able to use our parts from the story. Now, let's put those parts and compose to find the unknown. Is the unknown going to be the same as what we just found? Well, let's see. Our parts are 5 plus 3 equals, altogether, 8. It's the same. We just flopped the number sentence to decompose and compose to find the unknown by putting our parts together. Let's try this one. Story about my robots, and then you are going to fill in the unknown and the parts. Here we go. I had 6 robots. 5 robots were big, and 1 robot was small. Go ahead and complete the number sentences. First, I need to find my unknown. Remember, the unknown is your whole. My unknown, from what I heard from the story, was 6, and I can go back and count all my robots together and find that I had 6. Then I know my 2 parts are 5 because I had 5 big robots and 1 small robot. So I can say 6 equals 5 plus 1. My unknown is 6, and my two parts are 5 and 1. Now let's compose these two parts and make the unknown. 5 big robots, 1 small robot equals 6 robots all together. Is that what you got? Great work. To date in Seesaw, you're going to continue this work of finding the unknowns by putting the parts together. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.